Hey everyone, back to do a quick update on this bike I'm building. So I got a bunch of stuff ordered for it. Got the motor, another Duramax. Figured might as well, you know. So anyhow, with the back wheel, I finally got a hole saw, 1 inch. I'm still not done with it. I have to do the keyway. Basically, I need to measure this out, go all the way through, and grind it. Probably mark it on the other side, the exact diameter of this, measure it out, mark it, take the grinder and very carefully buzz it. As long as I stay inside the two lines going all the way down, and I don't go too deep, it should be perfectly fine. So anyhow, there's that. Got the torque converter ordered, throttle, the fork, the brake on the left hand brake, a 86-inch stainless steel braided brake line to go all the way to right over here. Now over here, right here, I put this support bar. Now I'll probably have to take this off to put that brake caliper up on here, but I have this steel. It's actually right over there. I'll cut some of that, however much I need, put it across here, whatever, and make the mount, and that will take the place of this bar here. Got this plate here welded in. It's not cleaned up yet. Then over here, got another one. Well, there we go. Got another one welded in, but once I got this one done, I ran out of welding lines. So went out today, picked myself up. That thing's heavy. Another big, huge spool of welding line. So that'll last me a good long while, several projects. So got that done. Got a Sprocket hub, actually a couple of them ordered. Sprocket, to go on there. I got over here, got the plate all cleaned up, kind of dirty. Got it cleaned up, and I won't weld it on until I get the motor and the torque converter and all that. Oh, there goes, oh yeah, here goes the kickstand. Well, no, I mean, I'm not going to use the whole thing, just part of it. I figured a solid rod would work quite well, which also reminds me, coming back over to this side, let's see, there they are. All right, so I went out and got myself a drill bit kit, something of decent quality. All the other ones were just, Walmart crap, and they break and they burn out super quick. Doesn't matter what kind of oil you use, they just burn right out. So I got myself a decent kit, and I'll go ahead and make the mounts for the kickstand and get all that done up sooner or later. I got the spring for it, and so forth and so on. Once the fork comes in, then I'll work on the bearing cups. I have one. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but right here, came off one of the old bikes that I had. But I'll see if the diameter will work. I don't feel like taking apart that one just to see, you know, no. I'll just wait until it gets in next week, and then I'll find out if they'll work. If not, then it'll be because the diameter is too big. I remember building that one, you know, so it'll come close. And if it is too big, then I'll shim it, you know, no problem. Shim it, weld it in there, and then tap or actually press the bearings into the cup. Worst come to worst, I'll just build all new cups for it, and voila, no problem. I just think that over there would be the easiest way to go. Then of course I'll work on the steering dampener, work on getting that hooked up, the handlebars put on, all that stuff. So I got well, as of now, I got a decent pretty penny invested into this, and it would just be absolutely insane to stop now. So there we go. I wanted to show you guys what I've been doing, and thanks for watching, and I will talk to y'all later.